Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find the home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on the wallpaper, which should be right in the middle, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from our own gallery, and basically you will be able to set your own photo as a wallpaper. Here we've got some recommended ones, and they're connected with the themes, which we can pick in the previous step. Here we've got my wallpapers, so you will have all wallpapers listed which you've had previously applied, and you've got the albums like the nature, artistic, dimensional, abstract, and the colors. You can tap on more wallpapers to check some further options, and in order to check more wallpapers, just tap on the particular album. As you can see here, we've got much more options to choose from, and basically all you have to do in order to check the preview, so how it will look like on the full screen, just tap on the wallpaper. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, and here we've got some options. So first of all, we can blur the wallpaper. After tapping on it, you can see that thanks to the switcher we can make it more blurred or sharper, let's say. I will stick with this option. You can also, because as you can see, this is the preview of the lock screen, we can check the preview of the home screen just by tapping on this icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, it will look like it. What's more, we've got an additional option, which is the scrollable option. After tapping on it, you will be able to change the position of the photo of the wallpaper. And depending on the wallpaper, you can do it just like that, or from left to right. It depends. So let me turn it off. And basically all you have to do, if you want to set this particular wallpaper, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick maybe home screen option. As you can see, we have to wait right now. And we just got back to this section, so let's go back to the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Huawei Matepad 10.4 from 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.